All right, let's dive right into this explainer. Today, we're jumping straight into the deep end to completely tear apart question 11 from the November 2023 Pearson Edexcel GCSE higher tier math paper. We're going to deconstruct exactly what this question is asking, demonstrate the clear mathematical workings, and list the exact accepted answers you need to secure maximum points, straight from the official source material. So what's the actual challenge here? Well, it's essentially a direct puzzle. The exam paper is tasking us with matching 4 different types of proportionality, which are listed out in a table, to the correct visual graph shape labeled A, B, C, and D. It's kind of like matching faces to names, but, with math.
Now, the absolutely crucial point is isolating exactly what types of proportionality you're actually given on the paper. You've got y is proportional to x squared, y is proportional to x, and y is proportional to 1 over x. The real trick here, visualizing these mathematical curves in your head before you even look at the options. For instance, a linear relationship, that's y proportional to x. Well, that's just a classic straight line. A squared relationship gives us that nice upward swooping parabola. And an inverse relationship, that creates a really cool curve that approaches the axes. But actually, let me be precise. It gets super close, but never quite touches them.
Okay, let's cut right to the chase. According to the exact wording in the official mark scheme, the required sequence for total success is this very specific 4-letter string D, A, B, C. Literally, that is the precise, flawless configuration you need to get this question completely right. Moving on to Section 1, reverse engineering the solution. Let's actually map this out and demonstrate the clear workings. For row 1, y is proportional to x squared. That maps perfectly to the upward parabola of graph D. Then row 2, our linear relationship, well, that hits the nail on the head with a straight line of graph A. Row 3, the inverse relationship, maps right over to the descending curve of graph B. And finally, just by simple elimination, the 4th unidentified graph type has to match graph C. Seeing it like this visually represents the entire completed puzzle in the exact order the examiner is looking for.
And that brings us to Section 2, point allocation, the exact criteria. So, how do they actually hand out the points here? The mark scheme gives us 2 possible ways to score. You earn a B2 mark for getting all 4 sequence letters totally correct. But, and this is a really nice safety net, you can still earn a B1 mark if you manage to get at least 2 of the matches right. So it's not totally all or nothing.
Now, you might be wondering, what does that B actually mean? Well, B stands for an unconditional accuracy mark. This is huge because it means absolutely no method or working out steps are required on your actual paper. None. Your strict accuracy with those letters D, A, B, C is literally the only thing being evaluated here. Just remember, you must get at least 2 correct to score anything at all, and max points require that flawless D, A, B, C sequence. Securing that exact sequence perfectly earns you 2 total marks for the exam. But, beyond just passing a test, these proportionality curves literally define the physics of our real world, from how gravity pulls us down to how cars accelerate on the highway. So if you can easily map a straight line to y proportional to x, what kind of crazy real-world forces or relationships do you think might map to the strange mystery curve of graph C? Just something to think about. Keep wondering, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.